Didn't I tell you don't touch those trees? They might be poisonous. Now walk. Come on. You're scared of what, dude? What are you scared of? Oh shit, Jojo's right there! Jojo's right here. Jojo, you scared too?
Scary.
Are you scary?
What is that?
Oh, it's a snake! Oh my God, are y'all serious right now? Joe, you're scared? Go in the bushes right there. Okay, I'll stop. I'm just messing with you. We ain't going that way. We're trying to get back to where we came from. What are you talking about? What does this say? Area ID. Come on. I don't know if we're supposed to be coming this way. You think this is right?
Don't go this way.
It's your idea to go this way.
Where did they go this way?
It's your idea to come this way.
I don't go this way. Bye.
Oh, shit. Oh, Jojo, are you scared, Jojo? Y'all some chicken shit. What the fuck? There's a freaking bug went in my hair.
What?
I said the bug went in my hair.
Oh. Bite you?
Are we going the right way? This is not cool. Yo, it's your idea to come this way. Go. What? I'm right here. What's wrong, Jojo? You scared? What if I put you in the bushes?
No.
You be scared?
No, I won't be scared.
You won't be scared?
No. I won't go down there.
You want to take a shortcut or you want to keep going? You going straight or you want to go that way?
This is I want to go this way.
There's a beaver. There's beavers down that way. Okay.
There's no beavers.
How are you doing, Jojo?
This one?
You want to go that way?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Don't be scared then. Y'all the ones who want to come this way. Chicken.
I'm gonna be scared and move. I'm not gonna be scared.
You're not? Okay, good. Are you gonna be scared? Joseph, are you scared? Are you thinking? Hey, I'm talking to you. Are you scared? Yes or no? Jojo, are you scared?
Yes or no? Hurry up!
Move right there, Damn, nigga, you run fast as shit. Why you run so fast?
I'm scared.
Why are you scared, dude? You're the one that want to go this way. Oh, my God, that's hilarious. You are something else.
I can't. I don't see it.
Y'all want to go this way?
Yes.
All right. Look, possible things that are in this area.
I'm scared.
Spiders.
I'm scared spiders.
Snakes.
Frogs. I'm scared
Insects,
spiders.
frogs, scorpions, all kinds of shit. All right, come on, guys. Let's go. Okay, come on, let's go. There's a lot of spider webs out here in the trees. Those white things in the trees, those are all spider webs. Lots of spiders out here. And it's not nice ones. Jojo, come on, baby. Look at these spider webs. Look. They're extremely huge. Very, very big ones. Everywhere on these trees. These are babies right there. Come on, baby. Come on. We gotta move fast. We gotta go. Yeah, we are not going that way. That's for damn sure. Come on, guys. Come on, y'all walking too slow. I need to see y'all. It's getting dark, okay? We gotta get back. Okay, now it's getting dark and a little bit more scary. Hurry up, guys. I hear stuff in the trees. Come on. I know. Let's go. We're almost there, okay? Come on, guys. All right, we're done. I got to hold their hand. They're to that point where they're extremely scared. This is a dark trail, and we can't see anything. All right, end the video.